Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up a WordPress VPS using UpdraftPlus and S3, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up a WordPress VPS using UpdraftPlus and S3, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left menu. Click on the Add New button. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. Locate the UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup plugin. Click on the Install Now button next to it. Once installed, click on the Activate button. After activation, go to the Settings menu and select UpdraftPlus Backups. Inside the UpdraftPlus settings, click on the Settings tab. You will see multiple options for remote storage. Select Amazon S3 from the list of available storage options. You will need to enter your Amazon S3 credentials, including your access key ID and secret. To obtain these keys, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM section to create a new user if you don't have one. Ensure the user has the necessary permissions to access S3. After obtaining your keys, return to the UpdraftPlus settings. Paste your access key ID and secret access key into the respective fields. Next, choose a bucket name for your S3 storage. If you don't have a bucket created yet, go to the S3 section in the AWS console. Create a new bucket, making sure to configure the settings to allow access from UpdraftPlus. Once your bucket is created, enter its name into the UpdraftPlus settings. Adjust any additional settings according to your backup preferences, such as the schedule and file types. After all settings are configured, click the Save Changes button. To perform your first backup, return to the UpdraftPlus dashboard. Click on the Backup Now button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to include files and database in the backup. Ensure both options are selected and click Backup Now. The backup process will start, and you can monitor the progress on the same page. Once the backup is complete, check the Existing Backups tab to see your backup files. Verify that your backup has been successfully uploaded to your S3 bucket by logging into your AWS console. Navigate to the S3 section and locate your bucket. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.